Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will draw a shipwreck, a ship underwater. We begin by sketching a tilted curving line for the front, a perpendicular long line for the mast, and let's draw in a little bit more detail the front or the bow. And then the keel, which is at the very bottom. I'm actually going to erase this part because it's a little bit short and I want the ship to be seen slightly from the right, so it should be just a little bigger. Like so. I am drawing with a charcoal pencil on light blue cardboard paper. I chose this color to give the feel of the sea. And we begin shading. First we give a light tone. And the light source will be on the top left, so everything on the right, especially lower right, will be the darkest. The shadow, and we can smudge by lightly passing a soft brush. Since it is underwater, I want a blurry look, and I darken further this area. Now with a soft white pastel, let's draw the sun. On this channel, I try to give you a variety of techniques and effects, and that is why I thought of drawing a ship underwater. We are doing this with pastels and with charcoal, in a very simple and easy way. With a light blue pastel, we do the rays going into the water, and we can mix them in with some white as well. Then with our soft brush, we smudge them to soften them. And as needed, we can re-establish and reinforce our original light, like so. Lightly we draw the sea bed and smudge it. The list of materials that I am using is in the information below the video. We draw more of the cast shadow and smudge it, and then smudge the rest of the ship as well. Now I think we should extend some of these rays of light and make them reach the other side. Like so. And we soften them with the brush. Yeah, that's better. Although I think we should add a little bit more. Very good. Excelente. I love drawing with pastels, or with most anything for that matter. Let's give some light to the bottom of the ocean. And what about if we have some of these rays of light passing in front of the ship? Alright. I think the only thing that we are missing now is some fish. We do this with a charcoal pencil again. The reason being, aside from the fact that I want them black, is that the pencil you can sharpen it using sandpaper to a finer tip and therefore make smaller detail. Since the light is hitting the ship on this side, we should give it some highlights with the light blue pastel, and we smudge them a little. Very good. And I extend the shadow just a little bit. Let me know what other techniques would you like to see here. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find our tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.